Welcome back with exercise 7.2. Before we will take 7.2 exercise, we will do one theorem which is in your syllabus, and the theorem 7.2 is angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle is equal. Look here. If you will see, there is a block here. I think you can able to see this block. So it means that proof of this theorem is in your syllabus. Okay. So now we will take the proof of this theorem. Theorem is prove that angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle is equal. So what is given? In triangle ABC, AB equal AC given, and we have to prove angle opposite to them, means these two angles are equal. Now in this theorem, we have to do one construction. Draw angle bisector of A. Angle bisector. What does angle bisector means? Angle bisector means angle को two equal parts में divide करना. So the construction is draw angle bisector of A. Okay, now we will go for the proof part. So in proof part, since you have to prove these two angles equal, so we will take these two triangles and try to prove it congruent. So we have to name it in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. AB equal AC, this is given. We have to prove it congruent. And what else? These two angles are equal. Angle 1 equal angle 2 by construction. Because it is an angle bisector. What should be the third thing which you have to take it equal? Look here. AD is common in both the case. So AD equal AD. So can you tell me which congruency we will use it here? Side, angle, side. So therefore, triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD by SAS congruency. Don't forget to write the congruency. अब triangles congruent हो गए as we did it in the very beginning. Then whatever be the remaining sides or the remaining corresponding angles, that will also be equal. So this implies angle B equal angle C. So reason CP, CT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. I think this theorem is clear to all of you. Question 1 from 7.2. Here it is given that AB equal AC, given part you can write it yourself, AB equal AC, and these are the angle bisector. OB and OC are the angle bisector of B. So it means ये दोनों angle equal है. We can name it as 1 and 1, and this we can write it as 2 and 2 because both of them are equal. Now the question is we have to prove OB equal OC. OB equal OC. First part. So in triangle BOC, what result you will get it? How will you get it? देखिए, angle, since AB equal AC, therefore angle, or first we will take in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB equal AC, this is given. Therefore, angle B equal angle C. According to the theorem over here, the angles opposite to, you will write the statement, angle opposite to equal sides of a isosceles triangle are equal. It means, अगर angle B equal angle C है, then half of it will also be equal. So this implies half angle B equal half angle C. तो कैन यू टेल मी हाफ एंगल बी? एंगल बी का हाफ क्या हुआ? एंगल 1. So this implies angle 1 equal angle 2. Okay. And half of angle B means angle 1. You can take any one. And half of angle C means angle 2. Now you will take in triangle BOC. Angle 1 equal angle 2 from 1. Angle 1 equal angle 2 from first. अगर angles opposite to angles are equal opposite to the base, angles are equal, then the sides opposite to them will also be equal. Equal angles, the converse of this, sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So this implies OB equal OC. So what result you will write it? Reason you will write it, sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Okay, so first proof we have got it. Now the second one, OA bisects angle A. हमें ये प्रूव करना है, मीन्स हमें ये प्रूव करना है एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 4 आर इक्वल, ये प्रूव करना है. देन ओनली OA बाइसेक्ट्स एंगल A होगा. अब हम कैसे करेंगे? टेल मी, हाउ कैन वी प्रूव इट? टेक दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स एंड प्रूव इट कॉन्ग्रुएंट. इन triangle AOB and triangle AOC, आपके पास देखिए AB इक्वल AC दिया हुआ है, AB इक्वल AC given. What should be the next thing which you can take it equal? Angle 1 equal angle 2, angle 1 equal angle 2. From first, what should be the third thing which you will take it? Tell me. देखिए OB equal OC हमने अभी प्रूव किया, OB equal OC proved above. So can you tell me which congruency is applicable? देखिए side, angle, side. Therefore triangle AOB congruent triangle AOC by SAS congruency. अब जब triangles congruent है, as I have told it, angle 3 equal angle 4 by CPCT. And this only we have to prove it. And at the end you can write it. This implies OA bisects angle A. Clear? Question 2. In question 2, we have to prove AB equal AC and AD is the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular as well as bisector of BC. So perpendicular means 90 degree and bisector of BC means 2 equal parts. Now we will prove it. Triangle, take these two triangles and prove it congruent. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, again we will prove it congruent. So let's see how can we prove it. Tell me. BD equals CD, BD equals CD given. What should be the next thing which you can take it? Name it as angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 equal angle 2, 90 degree. And the third thing, AD equal AD common. So by which congruency? कौन सी congruency लग रही है? Side, angle, side. So therefore triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD by SAS congruency. अब जब triangles congruent हैं, so the remaining parts AB equal AC by CPCT. Is it clear? Now question 3. In question 3, it is given that in triangle ABC, AB equal AC is given, and these are the altitudes, means 90 degrees given, and you have to prove that BE equals CF. BE equals CF. Given part you can write it yourself. Here it is given is AB equal AC and the altitudes. So for this we will take triangle ABE. एक ये triangle लेंगे. In triangle ABE and triangle ABE and one more ACF. Triangle ACF. These two triangles we will take it and we will prove it congruent. So let's see. In triangle ABE, ABE आ रहा है आपके पास, AB equal, and in triangle ACF, AC आ रहा है. So both of them are equal. This is given. What else? In triangle ABE, this is 90, so this will also be 90. Let it be angle 1. And in triangle ACF, this is 90, so this is also 90. Let it be angle 2. So angle 1 equal angle 2, 90 degree. What should be the third thing which we will take it here? या तो साइड हो सकती है या कोई एंगल इक्वल हो सकता है. So if you will see in triangle ABE, ये angle, this angle is coming in both. So it means that angle A is common. Angle A equal angle A, this is common. So can you tell me which congruency is applicable? देखो in triangle ABE, एक ही triangle में देख लेते हैं, two angles and the non-included side. So therefore triangle ABE congruent triangle ACF by AAS congruency. अब जब triangles congruent हैं, therefore BE equal CF, CPCT. ठीक है, triangles are congruent, therefore by CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangles will also be equal. Okay. Question 4. In question 4, these altitudes are equal. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें altitudes prove करने थे equal. Now here it is given that altitudes are equal and you have to prove these two triangles congruent. So let's take the proof part. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF, try to prove it congruent. ABE, BE is coming, so BE equal CF, this is given. What should be the next thing? ABE, altitude is there, so angle 1 and this is angle 2. Angle 1, this is same as the previous one. Angle 1 equal angle 2, 90 degree. And what should be the third thing? Angle A. Angle A is common. Angle A equal angle A, this is common. So again, look here, 1 angle A and this side. So by AAS. Therefore, triangle ABE congruent triangle ACF by AAS congruency. अब जब triangles congruent हैं, then AB is the part of it. Therefore, this implies AB equal AC CPCT. These should be equal. Okay, so I think now you can able to do all these question 4 yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.